Ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can start earning passive income by selling Notion templates. Even if you're a complete beginner with $0 to start and no design background needed. This is the perfect side hustle for creatives, students, freelancers, or anyone looking to build digital income from home. What is Notion and why templates? If you're new to Notion, it's an all-in-one productivity tool used for organizing everything, from tasks and goals to finances, content, and life itself. Think planner, calendar, journal, budget tracker, all in one customizable space. Why sell Notion templates? They're digital, no shipping required. You can create once and sell forever. Notion has exploded in popularity. Creators, students, entrepreneurs, even businesses are using it. It's free to use, and your audience doesn't need to buy anything to access your template. Who is this for? You don't need to be tech-savvy or a productivity guru. If you can use drag and drop and organize information, you can build templates. You don't even have to show your face. Perfect for side hustlers, students, creatives, people who love planning, journaling, or design. Popular Notion template ideas. Now let's talk about what actually sells. Here are some high-demand Notion template ideas you can start creating today. Personal productivity templates. Daily planners, weekly dashboards. Habit trackers, goal-setting templates, student templates, class schedule, study tracker, assignment planner, reading list organizer, finance and business templates, budget planners, expense trackers, business CRMs, social media calendars, life and wellness templates, meal planners, workout trackers, self-care journals, travel planners, niche ideas, ADHD planners, content creator dashboards, freelancer project trackers, digital nomad life organizers. You can even niche down further, like Notion for photographers or Notion for Etsy sellers. How to create a Notion template. Here's the step-by-step process to create and sell your first template. Open Notion, free account. Design your template layout. Add pages, headings, tables, calendars, to-do lists, etc. Use icons, colors, and cover images to make it aesthetic and easy to use. Test it. Make sure it's user-friendly. Duplicate the link. Click Share, Set to duplicate, and copy the link. Package your product. Create a short PDF guide or include usage tips, where to sell your templates. Once your template is ready, let's sell it. Best platforms to sell. Notion templates. Gumroad, free to start, easy to set up. Etsy, huge digital product marketplace. Payhip, beginner-friendly with global payments. Ko-fi or Stan Store, great for creators and influencers, your own website or Shopify store. Bonus tip, bundle related templates to increase value and boost sales. How to promote your templates. Here's the secret sauce. Promotion is key to making passive income. Promote on TikTok. Share aesthetic demos, productivity tips, Instagram Reels and Stories. Show before/after using your template. Pinterest. Create pins that lead to your product link. YouTube. Create videos like Plan with Me in Notion or My Notion Setup. Email list or blog. Offer a free mini template in exchange for emails. Pro tip. Create faceless content using tools like Pictory.ai, CapCut, or Canva videos. How much can you earn? Let's talk money. How much can you make? Templates typically sell for $5 to $25 each. If you sell just 20 templates a day at 10, that's $6,000 a month. Add bundles, upsells, or recurring income options, and you could hit 10 per month with time, traffic, and consistency. This is 100% possible. There are creators doing it now. Notion templates are one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly ways to earn passive income online. No coding, no inventory, and you can get started today for free. If this helped, give it a like, Subscribe for more digital product strategies, and drop a comment below if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how I design my templates.